Hey, welcome to Unknown. Today we will be saying about how to do manual formatting, reference format. It's very true that references works better with mentally, you know, under endnotes format. But uh, if you do not have certain references in your library, you have to manually input in that case. This website is awesome. I will share this citation.crosssite.org link in my YouTube description. So what we are going to do is we can give just an DOI number, digital object identifier number out of manuscript here, and we can get the entire form. For example, let me do a refresh. So this is how the website looks. Say for example, if you have a paper which that needs, you need to write it in APA style, which is most used style in formatting. There are thousands of formatting styles which you can select from here, but what I did here is I just copied the numbers, DOI numbers from the manuscript. I'm giving the number here, okay, in the face file and format. When you give the exact DOI number, you will have a APA format here, which can be copied and you can take it to the reference. As you can see, this is clearly in the APA format. For some, and say for some articles, you will find the DOI numbers at the last end of the article here. So just copy this DOI number, okay, or from here, only the DOI number, okay, copy it and you can paste it here, format, APA formatting is done. So that's how APA formatting is done. I hope this website will be very much useful, especially when you are preparing your master's PhD dissertation. Keep watching Unknowns.